Well, I really don't know what to say at this point, other than if you are watching this unfold, you're watching, I think, some historic changes that are going on very rapidly in a hurricane. I wrote at the top, could be Cat 5 soon. Well, it happened sooner than I thought. Suddenly now we're up to 175 mile per hour sustained winds, folks. That's what they're saying. The barometric pressure is down to 911 millibars. And I just want to show you, this is what it looks like from high above. This is perfection in a hurricane. Doesn't get much more perfect than it is symmetrically, all four sides, totally symmetrically, and look how you can look down into the eye of this hurricane. Now, two things here. One is that everybody's getting excited. The internet's going crazy. And that's, what it's typical. And it is. From a geek side of things, this is an incredible event to watch this unfold dynamically, physically. The laws of physics. Isaac Newton would have loved to have seen this satellite image here, because everything is at play here at the moment with what's going on. Centrifugal force, the geek side of things. The satellite images are just stunning of this thing. This is a day and nighttime image here that comes across all of these infrared. But here's the flight, the recon flight into the storm that's changing everything rapidly, because they just found 912 millibars. Listen, 1,013 is normal average barometric pressure. I know it's not inches, but these are in millibars. I want to show you the flight. This is the flight when it went in, and the graph that it took when it went into the storm a little bit earlier. And watch the graph. The red line is the barometric pressure. The blue line is the flight level wind. And just incredible at how the graph drops. Now, where's it going again? This is what's most important. Look how it's changed. And it's over here near the Yucatan Peninsula at the moment, but moving northeastward in time, with still a landfall there near Tampa Bay. And everybody is, I hope, preparing for that to take place Wednesday, Thursday. Storm surge could be as high as 12 feet in those areas, depending on where landfall actually is. To the right of the storm, always the worst. The latest from the Hurricane Center, Milton explosively intensifies with 175 mile per hour winds. Everybody's urged to keep watching this. Obviously, I live in the state of Florida, but I know it's going to be south of me. Some very important people I know actually are in charge down there at the National Hurricane Center. Dr. Richard Pash, who is there, and Dr. Jack Bevan, who was a roommate, a college, we went to class together. He's the one that blew the curve for me. But there's the 915 millibars that they found when they were flying into the hurricane, 915, and then they found 913. So very historical when it comes to that. That's the geeky side. But listen, here's the human side of what's going on. It's not going to hurt anybody where it is. It's just easy to look at. Kind of exciting to look at. I think everybody, even on the Yucatan Peninsula, should be fine, because it's going to start moving away from them. So now it's just a geeky thing, folks. It's not coming in at 175 miles per hour to the western coast of Florida. We're fairly sure of that. There's going to be something that the hurricane does not like. It's going to encounter that when it gets closer to the coast. So there is a bright side to this. We're hoping that it's not coming in here. It's overachieving at the moment. Hurricanes don't like to be, or the norm is not 175, I can tell you that. But everything's perfect for it at the moment. But there is some change, and we'll be on live here in just a little bit. I'll explain that to you. We'll talk about it. But for now, I just wanted to put this on tape and put it out. It's not tape. I'm recording it. I'm still old, sorry. Love you, bye.